Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Suzuki Vitara, stock reference number 5813. This shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 7th month 2012. It has an F9 QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. F9 QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror has scratches, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, bonnet has no damage, left front door has no damage, left rear door has 6 dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory aftermarket Hayman Reese towbar with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has 1 large dent, 17-inch spare wheel, good tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door 2 small dents, right front door 5 small dents, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, this vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heated controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp and the right sun visor.